I was so pumped to see that Active made Swedish dishcloths because we love Active in this household and we love a good Swedish dishcloth. Whew, that's tough to say. So they sent these ones for our review and I'm excited to open them up and try them for the first time. So if you've never seen these, as you can see, they come completely compressed, which is really awesome. These ones are, of course, reusable. A lot of the times you will find them in a bunch of different colors. And it's so funny when people haven't used these before because they're like, how is this a dishcloth? So basically you're just gonna take this in water and then right away, as you can see, it becomes very sponge-like. The things that we love about these cloths in particular is they are fast drying, so you're not gonna get that gross, like, you know, when you're using a sponge and then it starts to smell over time. They're also super absorbent. These are really cool because, again, they are reusable. You can actually put these in your dishwasher to wash if you want. Of course, you can put them in the washing machine on gentle, but because they're fast drying, they last a lot longer because they're not gonna get stinky. But as soon as they get wet, they have that sponge-like material, but they are also really, let me just show you here, super absorbent. So you can take like a big, I don't know if you can see that, I probably should have gone with a different color, but they will just absorb all of that spill that you are going to wipe up. You can use these on like all kinds of different countertops. You can use these on your windows, on mirrors. These are really great for cleaning mirrors as well. And yeah, this is a great pack with a bunch of different colors. Highly recommend.